quiet, okay? From the little bear. Taipei 101. Taipei 101 is really perfect, and I will live inside, but really perfect. I will live inside will be perfect. And this mountain is really, really perfect. I will live inside. Food is not good, so I will make this house and the mountain, so will be good. So yummy. Will be perfect. And this mountain will go. That's perfect. I know this all are dinosaurs' bones. Really cool. Here we don't like him because his mother will be not like his little Nick. Nick has come from it and you can eat for lunch. And this mitten is very perfect, will be 17. As good job. You're not good. Very, very perfect. You will not. Nick, come home. You will see. Oh, because your lunch already closed, so you can come inside and eat your lunch. Your snack is ready. Will be not 17. This umbrella is too bigger. We will not use this umbrella. And the small fish will not be your friend because he will not talk. He is not the people. This mountain we will this mountain is very, very perfect. Let's go and this fire. Because we are violent. Because we are the fire. So we can come inside. Let's see. Bye-bye, violent. Bye-bye, everyone. Oh, it's very, very soft. And you may sleep. Less diners. Sam, I am. You are fed. I am Whisker. You are fed. Next time, you will not everyone, but do things as perfect. The end. The oven.